only if you're gay, a bad emo. If you're not one of those, then you gotta leave. No, I'm playing, but what's up, y'all? I'm getting ready to go to the beach today. It's hot outside. I deserve to be on the beach. Looking cute. We got the emo wig out today. I basically already have my outfit together. I don't know for sure because I still have to try it on completely because I haven't tried it on yet, so this might be trial and error. I hate it when my eyebrows aren't shaped the way I want them to be, because what do you mean my eyebrows come out shaped differently every single time I cut them? Like, sometimes when I have a bang, I just want to do one eyebrow and the other eyebrow just be there. Cause you can't even see it, dude, but I gotta do it. Cause like, what if the wind blow a little bit and now I don't have an eyebrow over here and everybody looking at me like I'm crazy? Girl, mind your business. You know what's up. You know what's going on. When it's finally summer after it being winter, it just always feels so weird. But I think now it feels weirder because I'm like more conscious of the weather now that I'm older. So I forget that I deal with this every single year. Like, winter comes back around, summer comes back around every single year. But suddenly this year, everything is like confusing. What's going on? Like, was I just not paying attention to anything? I feel like that's what it was. I just changed this shirt. I'm way too hot right now. I'm already starting to look like a human being now that my eyebrows are on. I don't know what kind of eyeliner I'm in the mood for today. Like, am I in the mood for really huge eyeliner, or I don't know. I've been doing big eyeliner low-key, but I think I want to do small eyeliner today. I'm just kind of tired of my eyeliner getting all in my eye when I do big eyeliner. It just loves to do that to me. Like, what did I do to deserve this? All I did was be a bad bitch. What do you mean? What do you mean my eyeliner is getting in my eye? I'm just a pretty girl. Like, ate that. Bow. Last night I tried to dye the top of this wig purple. First I tried to strip the color out the hair and then dye it purple, but I got a little lazy because I didn't put enough dye into the pot to dye the wig purple, and the dye barely separated because of how, like, I guess pigmented the dye is. So I didn't want to separate because I'm used to that cheap Adore dye. So I used my lunar tides, and yeah, it wasn't enough because it just didn't distribute throughout the water evenly. So I just didn't feel like dealing with that. So now only a little bit is purple, but I think it eats. Like, honestly, there really are no rules when it comes down to alternative hair, like, which is why I love being alternative, because like, I messed up on my hair, but doesn't matter, it still looks cunt. I'm always a little nervous when I'm going to the beach with like a decent amount of people and like meeting new people, if there are new people that are coming, or just like connecting with people that I have met a couple times before. I'm just a little nervous. Like, I'm so shy and it's so annoying. Like, being shy as an adult feels embarrassing. Like, what do you mean? What do you mean the bad bitches are here and I'm fumbling? What do you mean the bad bitches are here and I'm fumbling? It's just so embarrassing. But I honestly have gotten so much better at like human interaction. And eyeliner just got in my eye. How delicious. I love it when that happens. Yes, make me blind. Woo! Now my eye is burning. Woo! Wasn't there a trend when people was putting eyeliner in their eye? Did they send them to the war yet? Because I think we need them frontline and censor. I think we need them frontline and censor right now. I got the eyeliner in my eye, but now it still feels like there's something in my eye. So that's so awesome. But at least my eyebrows look good and my eyeliner looks good. So you know what? I'm still happy. Your eyes watering while you're doing your makeup should actually be so illegal. It makes no sense. My favorite part of my makeup is putting my mascara on. It brings everything together so perfectly. I think if I ignore the fact that my eye is literally burning right now enough, then it'll just go away. I think it's all in my head completely, 100%. Hashtag just be delusional. I love Get Ready With Me videos because they're just so like, oh, we're just girls talking to each other. I love this purple eyeliner. It's so cute. I think it adds the cutest little sparkly purple thing going on in there. I hate this mirror because it distorts my face. So like, I just don't know how I actually look. So I'll look in a normal mirror. How it stretches my head out like that, I don't know. Me when I put too much nose contour on, so now I look like Squidward. Please blend this shit out. Does it look crazy on camera? Loki just put a lot of highlight on too. What is going on? Okay, I just made it better. Alright, cool. Eyeshadow. Also, y'all, tell me why I'm in a slideshow on like TikTok or whatever, and I was reading through the comments, and one girl said, "What is alternative about any of these creators?" And I was just like, "Oh, so I don't have French wig on, or I don't have on like I just don't have on just straight hair, and now I'm not considered alternative." Did you even look at my YouTube channel, or am I tweaking? Sometimes I be wanting to just do lip liner and lip gloss, but it comes off way too fast, and I hate having to reapply that shit every 20 minutes. This, I only have to reapply it like after I eat or like a pretty long day. It lasts an unnaturally long amount of time. It eats so bad. I can't wait till people start making edits of me. But like, I'm also scared that someone's gonna make an edit of me and it's gonna be ugly, like, or they just get a bunch of ugly clips of me and make an edit. I'm just gonna be like, don't play with me, bro. Please. Actually, matter of fact, hit me up first. Hit me up first and show me the clips first. I want to do other influences. Like, oh, that's what was happening with Quinn at first too. She was getting really funny edits at first. Bro, I had lip gloss on before I put my lip combo on, and that was making it hard to blend. It's like your lips can't be too dry, but they also can't be too moist either. Y'all, I need a new piercing and a tattoo so bad. So bad, so bad, so bad. New piercing coming though. New piercing coming soon though. Y'all go see that video eventually. Currently working on that right now, but piercings can get expensive, y'all. Especially for what I'm getting. Y'all can go ahead and guess what I'm getting, but I'm not gonna tell y'all. I have been nervous about getting this piercing though, but I think it's gonna fit me so well. Like, I think it's gonna look so good. Like, I'm gonna love it so much. I'm very scared about the maintenance of it though. But all my piercings do very well. The only piercings I ever have problems with is like a surface piercing. But if it goes straight through, I've had so many piercings too, y'all. Like, I used to have my nose at one point. I don't know how long ago, but I did. I had my vertical labret. What else? I had my belly. I had my nose. I think that's really all that I used to have. My favorite one right now is probably this one. Like, I feel like I'm gonna have this one in my septum till I die. Like, literally, I'm gonna be in the casket with my piercings in. And y'all better not take it out either. Like, I'm so serious. Why are you touching my drip? Like, I'm literally dead. What are you doing? Like, what would that have to do like, why would that bother my literal corpse? Bro, I feel like if I was to, right now, my parents would put me in something that I would not ever wear a day in my life. Like, I might be so morbid, but I feel like they literally would. Like, girl, you know how I dress. Please don't hood me. Not that bad. Go anyways. Bad bitches live forever. Especially if you a stud. Now, studs, bro, what do they be eating to live that long? Cause like, I still haven't been to a stud funeral. I gotta get a stud friend. I really do. If you a stud, hit me up. Let's be friends so I can see. Oh my god, that's so funny. I think my makeup is basically done. I don't really do anything else, right? I be forgetting every single time after I do my makeup, like, what I do. Yeah, I'm done. Okay, now time for outfit. So since I'm going to the beach, of course I have a bikini top. This is the bikini top that I have. I got it from the bins. I honestly don't know what brand this is. Like, it literally does not have like a brand tag. It just has like a washing tag, like wash instructions tag. But yeah, it's so cute. And then I also have this lacy tank top that I think I'm gonna wear today. I don't know, because I have this red leopard print skirt. I wanted it to be shorts, but I just didn't feel like making shorts, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, I only made this last night. This is what the skirt looks like. I don't know if I want to wear this anymore or not. Okay, what y'all think? Y'all think this is cool? I don't know. I don't want to be hot also, so I think that this is possibly the best option for me right now. What jewelry should I wear? I don't know. Should I wear this choker? I feel like it's too hot to wear a choker. I feel like I'm gonna be ready to die if I wear a choker. I feel like a choker would make me want to choke someone. I don't think that's a good idea. Should I wear this necklace? I haven't been wearing it, so I think I will. Bro. I'm not emo enough. Alright, I think that's looking better. Oh my god, it's worse than we thought. They made her emo. Hey, see, slut, I'm so kind of night. That's why I'm like this. Oh, I'm so sore. Yes, bro, I'm clip farming. Yes, bro, I'm clip farming. Yes, bro, I'm clip farming. Yeah, let me go get my bag so I can pack that. Alright, this is said bag for the beach today. I learned last time I brought a fucking fur bag to the beach. Never again in my entire life of living. I actually was an idiot. I regret every decision that I made that day. So I'm gonna put on the hottest bracelet in the entire world, but do I care? No, not really. Probably gonna put on another leather bracelet. Well, fake leather. Of course, my tail. It has to go in the bag, obviously. Obviously. Who am I without my tail? Period. Keys. Camera. Lip combo, obviously. Lip combo on deck. I don't know if I want to wear these glasses instead, though. Are these better? Am I insane if I wear my knee-high Converse to the beach? Don't say I can't do it. Don't say I can't wear my Converse to the beach, baby. That's just me. Always gotta have a scrunchie on. I'm ready so early. Oh my god. I get ready so early, y'all. Like, I don't like to be late. I try my best to be on time. Do I have $2? Whoa! I came up, I got $2. I have some, like, flip-flops. Like, platform flip-flops. I have these, but I just put them on my bag and wear my knee-high Converse for most of the day. Because I feel like my knee-high Converse would look really cute with this outfit. But it's also, like, really hot outside, and I'm going to the beach, so, like, already having these on would, like, be a lot better and easier. And then they're also, like, pretty comfortable, too, I'm not gonna lie. So I probably will just wear these and continue about my life, because, yeah. I'm really going to the beach, so. Obviously, I need a towel. I'm just gonna use one of my regular towels, because I don't have a fancy, cute beach towel. Sunscreen. Obviously need that. Black people, you need sunscreen. Please, please, please don't let nobody tell you that you don't need sunscreen, okay? Because you do, okay? You need to protect your skin. But yeah, that's about it for today's video. I'm about to go have so much fun. Yeah, so thank y'all for watching today's video. I really appreciate every single one of y'all. Almost at 16K. So awesome. I appreciate all y'all's support so very much. See y'all next Wednesday.